coming up on day 64.
Namaste yogis.
It's Goga, kinda like yoga. 2 years in the game, 78 postures later, it is clear hip openers are the big boys for girls in yoga. From sitting ones, lunges, squats, goddesses, hamstring stretchers, including the inversions. With this foundation, I'm convinced that we are ready to take a 90-day journey towards the mother of them all. They call it Hanumasana, monkey, or as most of you know it, the splits. Enjoy the ride.
Doing crazy dreams.
started splits on the right side. So coming to half split where you take the right leg forward. I'm wearing socks here, just be able to help me get this bit of a slide. Slide a cushion under your left knee because that is also going to help you slide back more. Or you can even use a rug, something that is slidey, and then the socks actually help you slide your legs apart. Then you want to slide blocks under your thigh, and you can stack the blocks as high as possible. It is going to support the splits. Otherwise you can reduce them and see whether you can still find the split even with the blocks if they're on the flat side. If it's too much, keep the stacked blocks as high as possible. I'm going to slide them more under my groin, just be able to keep sliding my back knee even more. And notice the more I stay here, the more I'm sliding the legs apart, just slowly, moving very gently. And then eventually you're able to release blocks and bring them flat. Support your hands either on 2 other extra blocks or get something, water bottles, that will also work. And then you just keep sliding your thighs even more just to deepen the stretch. And then you're flexing your front foot and the socks are helping you slide. And then gently release by sliding the right leg in. So let's just take this in a bit of a slow motion. So we started from half split, okay? So I have 2 smaller blocks on both sides of my leg. And then so that you can just stack the blocks, maybe some cushions or even a bolster that is going to support the length of that entire leg. And then with the help of my small blocks, I'm going to slide this half split a little bit. So I keep sliding it with the help of my socks that I'm wearing, and then the back knee is sliding with the help of the rug or the cushion that is there. And you can see how the legs are just splitting apart very slowly. No pressure, it's just easing into the posture until the right thigh rests on the blocks here. And then I work in bringing my torso to be straight. The weight of the torso has to be on top of the hips so that at least it helps sink the hips even lower. Maybe you can even drop your head back, soaking in that sensation. It's not pain, it's a sensation. It's a very hot sensation. But the thing with sensations, they don't last for long. Then you can see that you can even bow forward and kiss your knee if that is something there for you. Otherwise, just keep coming up. Oof. Breathing into that sensation. Guys, I'm dying here right about now, as much as it looks graceful. And then when you're ready, you're going to ease out of the posture. So you notice how my torso is totally straight on top of the hips. That's what you're working towards. And then gently, with the help of the socks, slide back very gently, coming back into almost half split. And then we're going to switch sides. So same thing, left leg. I want to see, the left leg is my problematic side. So if I took the left in slow-mo, so I come into half split, and then I keep sliding, melting the hips a little bit more. So you can notice there's a bit of resistance on this side. Then keep sliding the back knee more, and then try to bring the torso parallel with the help of the blocks on the sides. So you notice the left thigh is literally hovering over the blocks. It's not easily touching the blocks like my right side. So I'm still working on this side. It's my, let me call it my bad side, but still there's a huge progress that we've made on this side when it comes to the split. So I'm not even worried about it because previously we never even used to be here. So it's something that I'm very glad to see the progress that we've made for the last 64 days of this challenge. And then when you're ready, gently ease out of the posture very slowly the way you got in. Massage your thighs. Namaste. Bye guys.